Throughout the 20th century, researchers were totally obsessed with exploring the universe and inventing new space tech. And can you blame them? Discovering other planets gives us valuable insights into the universe and helps us understand our own world better. And in the future, things are going to get super interesting. So, without further ado, let's discuss the top 10 space technologies of the future. We're starting our list with advanced space manufacturing on number 10. It's all about using innovative technologies to improve space products and services, like advanced robotics, 3D printing, and light-based manufacturing. With these advancements, we're witnessing the creation of massive space structures, reusable launch vehicles, and high-tech satellite sensors. And guess what? Startups are stepping up to provide tailored automation solutions for long-term space explorations, like Elon Musk's mission SpaceX making reusable rockets. But it's not just about SpaceX. NASA is also in the game experimenting with the world's largest fuel tank for their Space Launch System rocket. And let's not forget, space agencies worldwide from ESA to Roscosmos are working together to make interstellar vehicles more efficient. Next up on our list, we have robots at number 9. In the future, robots and AI will be our trusty companion in space. They'll help astronauts with maintenance and repairs on space stations, collect and analyze data, and assist scientists in unraveling the mysteries of the space universe. We already have Robonaut on the International Space Station, and NASA dreams of a whole team of robotic assistants. Just imagine the incredible things we'll accomplish with humans and robots working side by side in space. On number 8, we have advanced communication. This includes tech inventions like high-capacity antenna, ground stations, and LEO satellites that make communication in space super advanced. Take Theorem Space Technology, for example. It's a Polish startup that created an ultra-flat scannable antenna. It operates at high radio frequencies and improves throughout compared to other systems. Then there's Arctic Space Technologies, which is a Swedish startup that brings processing power next to the ground station, enabling real-time communication without any delays. Up next, at the 7th spot, is the Kepler Telescope. Yeah, it's not new, but it's still a big deal. Scientists believe that in the near future, we'll have the tech to explore the farthest corners of the galaxy. And the Kepler Telescope played a crucial role. It spotted potentially millions of planets that could support life, bringing us closer to deep space exploration and the search for extraterrestrial beings. Coming in at number 6, we have space traffic management. Now, did you know that a lot of the satellites in the space are now space junk? And that's a problem we can't ignore. But don't worry, startups are on the case. Take ClearSpace for example. They're developing technologies to remove unresponsive satellites from space. Their small satellite solution can capture and remove space debris starting in 2025. And then we have Orbit Guardians, a US-based startup that actively removes dangerous debris using cool tech like computer vision and AI. And their mission is to protect space workers, tourists, and satellites from harm. Up next, at the 5th spot, we have commercial space travel. So, companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic are turning sci-fi into reality. So, Virgin Galactic has made some significant progress towards making commercial space travel a reality. With hundreds of deposits already taken, their first commercial flight could be just a few years away. And then there's SpaceX, led by the one and only Elon Musk. They're not only known for launching rockets and satellites, but are also aiming for commercial flights. In fact, they're collaborating with Yusaku Misawa, a Japanese billionaire, to plan an incredible journey to the moon with other 10 famous celebrities from all over the world. And as for Jeff Bezos' Blue Origin, they are also actively working towards commercial space travel, but haven't disclosed more details at the moment. On number 4, we have the 5G space network. So what's the deal with it? Well, it's all about creating a non-terrestrial network that relies on satellite communication. By connecting satellites, we can supercharge our mobile connections here on Earth. That means faster speeds, smoother streaming, and quicker downloads for all of us. It also opens up possibilities for mobile connections in places where traditional signals struggle to reach. like, say, being on a train, a plane, or in a remote area. And you can still have lightning fast internet at your fingertips. Coming up next is the Worldview League on number 3. You know, space tech isn't just about communication and connectivity. It also helps us understand our own planet better. And that's where Maxar's Worldview League comes in. This system is set to launch soon and is designed to capture some amazing high quality images of Earth from space. The cool thing about it is its ability to generate a massive amount of images. That means we can closely study changes in our climate, examine Earth's geology, and even prepare for disasters. This way, we could easily track the effects of climate change, monitor deforestation, and understand the impact of natural disasters from a whole new perspective. Next up, at the second spot is space mining. Now, mining in space is no longer just a sci-fi stuff. Thanks to advanced space cameras and satellites, private individuals and companies are diving headfirst into asteroid mining. We're talking about extracting valuable resources like platinum, gold, iron, and even water from these celestial bodies floating in space. Besides that, it's predicted to become a billion-dollar industry soon. That's why innovative startups like the UK-based Asteroid Mining Corporation are leading the charge. They're developing specialized satellites to scout for near-Earth asteroids that are perfect for mining. Then there's the Australian startup High Earth Orbit Robotics that is taking space mining to the next level. They're using smart control systems and space-based cameras to capture high-quality image of satellites, space debris, and resource-rich asteroids. By analyzing this imagery, they can pinpoint the prime candidates for mining. And finally, we have low Earth orbit satellites on number 1. So what exactly is low Earth orbit or LEO? These are satellites that hang out relatively close to Earth, less than 1,000 kilometers above its surface, and they don't stick to a fixed path, which means more routes and possibilities for space companies to explore. And speaking of exploration, startups like SpaceAble from France are taking care of our LEO satellites with their on-demand asset inspection solutions, ensuring safety and critical data for space community. Meanwhile, Japanese startup Warp Space is revolutionizing LEO communication by offering optical data relay services with amazingly fast speed of 1 GPS for LEO missions. Well, with that, it's a wrap on our list of top 10 future space technologies. So, which one of these technologies are you most excited about? Is it the commercial space flights or perhaps the super fast omnipresent 5G internet? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our new content. Thanks for tuning in and we'll see you in the next one.